What's up everyone? Today we're doing piece 5. It's a little hot out. I cleared the wall. Let's just get to it. You probably can't see it. First half of the outline's on the wall. I'm gonna take a photo of this, then I'll drop the other half, lay it over each other digitally. Really quick, I added some reference dots on the wall. So after I lay the other half on Photoshop, I can use these as reference points to place the piece properly. Update, we're done. All right, let's get this other half on the wall. Also in that time frame, it looks like our tape fell down, so that's fantastic. So if you're asking what I'm drawing a Hannya mask. Hannya. Half Hannya, half girl. But based on my quick Google search, I learned that when a guy emotionally hurts a girl, they turn into a Hannya, because they basically realize guys are dicks. And they're not wrong. So when you see someone with that tattoo, maybe it means they got hurt. Or maybe they just think it looks cool. I don't know. All right, I think the outline is in a decent spot. Grab some food, come back in the evening when it's cooler, fill it in. Hopefully finish it up tonight. All right, and today's color palette will be, got a red and a pink and a gold, got our blacks and whites, and we just have some black. Luckily, I found this in my dad's shop. It's great, because I already mumble, and you'll be able to hear me so much better now.
Good, right? Yeah. Guys, gold looks pretty sweet.
Scariest part is coming up. I'm going in with the outline with the resto. It runs so much. I think my control is just terrible. I am very worried about the drip, but we're just gonna go for it, right? Because that's how you get better. I think, I don't know. Also, side note, got new lights. Found out those old ones I was using actually sucked up a ton of power. These are LED, and they are like really bright, like hurt your eyes bright.
Go to work.
Update, as suspected, I'm dripping, and not in a good way. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. I mean, look at that. Drip freaking city.
Ah, so frustrating. All right, now we're going in with some white. Can you even hear me? I don't know, I don't care.
All right, battery's almost dead. We got pretty far. Let's call it a night. Come back tomorrow. All right, new day. Let's add some details, fix some of the errors, take some photos, and we'll call it good.
Oh yeah. Hey, yeah. Rolling buzz down.
All right, boys and girls. Piece 5, done. Execution-wise, there's a lot to be desired. But composition-wise, I'm not mad at it. I learned a lot in terms of controlling the high-pressure Rust-Oleum. I'm sure there's a ton of people who would just say I'm terrible at it, and I am, I get that. So with time, maybe I'll get better at that. Maybe I'll just buy low-pressure black paint. Who knows? I bought low-pressure black paint. But yeah, transformation. Guy cheats on girl. Girl turns into that. Japanese lore. Makes a ton of sense. Yeah, there's like a story of like a samurai who cut off the arm of a Hannya that the Hannya then came back to take back the arm, disguised as an ant. I don't know, that's really all I know. But I think moral of the story, guys, don't be dicks. Anyways, hope you guys like the content. Still got 25 more of these to go. Feel free to follow along. Either way, hope you have a good day. We'll see you in the next video.
Back up. That's the green you gon' get if you step up. Messed up.